When you're a tourist in a new city. And your joy turns to worry. When your child spikes a fever at midnight. When help feels far and traffic won't move. When reaching a hospital becomes difficult. When your loved one needs care that feels like home.
Behind every story is a system built on speed, trust, and care. This is who we are. We are First Response Healthcare.
We are the Middle East's leading home healthcare provider. Over 300,000 patients treated with more than 300 professionals. We deliver care across 5 major locations.
Locations: Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah, Doha, Riyadh, and soon the rest around the world, all driven by a single mission.
Mission: to create a world where primary care is delivered directly to you, wherever you are, at homes, hotels, or offices, within just 30 minutes. Because we believe healthcare should be about quality.
Quality. In our first year, we became the region's first JCI-accredited Doctor On-Call service, the global gold seal of excellence in healthcare. Among residents and tourists, we are known for trust.
Trust. When sickness strikes, we save the vacation. From nebulization to IV medication, we have got you covered. That's why over 250 hospitality leaders like MR, Intercontinental, Rixos choose us to treat their guests with world-class care.
Care. With a large fleet of vehicles and equipped ambulances, our average time to reach you is just 26 minutes because we're building a healthcare system that's personal.
Personal. Our 24/7 call center, powered with technology, staffed with real patient manager, has a record of 0 call drop.
Because every patient matters to us. We've been featured by the best, Khalij Times, Gulf News, and The Hotelier.
But the most important voice are patients.
Patients. More than 3,000 reviews and 4.9-star Google rating. We are not just treating individuals. We are building a community.
Community with more than 250 health camps, awareness seminars each year. We bring families, hotels, and corporates together because health comes first.
First, we are GCC's first at-home dental service, and we take the industry forward.
By building technologically smarter on-site primary care systems.
From pediatrician to elder care.
From IV drips to health checkups.
From physiotherapy to doctor visits.
If it's primary care at home, it's first response healthcare. It's not just our name.
It's our